Welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. My name is Adam Rosman. I will be your host today. Today is 6th of July 2022. And as always, we would start with introductions, but today there are no new participants. So let's see the agenda. First agenda point is just the leftovers from last week. We had three of these, and for the first one, for the code of conduct, I have pushed the PR and tagged a few reviewers, and the third one was Himanshu's request for review, but this has not been this issue or this PR has not been updated for weeks now, and then the tests are failing, so I removed it. There is nothing from the community that we could do. So the last thing that's still there is this request for a consensus for this proposal, and the situation is that it has got the LGTM, but it is still waiting for reviewers and somebody with an approval right who has time to review. That would be the main thing. So this is the failure domain issue. So that's it. I don't see any new agenda point. Is there somebody who wants to bring up something? Okay, if nothing, then we can start with the triaging. I already started looking into this, and I added some needs information labels, and just to quickly recap, this was data loss related. Already a month ago, I tagged the original contributor who made the issue, but there's no answer on this. The next one was the auto discovery, and here Dimitri has put there the question at the end and tagged it as it needs more information. It's weird, this issue. I thought we had more comments on this, but I might just remembering incorrectly. But I thought that even I had a comment here, but it's weird. And then the next one is this one. And now this is quite fresh. This is from 13 days ago, and it seems to be that the issue is that the provisioning worked with VMs, but when the issuer changed it to physical machines, it started throwing provider ID related errors. From this information, I couldn't figure out something else than it might be related to the recent provider ID changes. But I think Furkat is also tracking this issue, so thank you. And then we have one fresh issue from Anwar, who implemented the provider ID, and the proposal that's coming from Anwar is that we could improve on the logs of the provider ID and the BMH ID. I think that's always good if we have more logs. What do you think? I think Furkat, you are in the call, and Anwar tagged you. Do you have some opinion about this?
Yeah, this is a good call. We discussed it over the offline, so we could triage it there are some places that he already provided here where the logs could be improved. So yeah, let's triage it, and then I believe it's a good first issue someone wants to pick up.
Yeah, that's my opinion also. It's well prepared. Anwar even pointed out the lines. Okay, but if there is anybody who is against it, please let me know. And then I need help on this. Somebody who would be interested. Yes, it's labeled. Okay. And then control plane provisioning does not complete. I see, Furkat, you have been engaged on this. It's very, very fresh. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'll reply to this. I forgot about it.
Okay. So you will keep this. Can I assign you here if you keep the discussion?
Sure.
Thanks. And yeah, it already needs more information. Okay. Okay, these were the like the needs triage ones. Is there something that somebody wants to add to these? Okay, if not, let's check the stale. I checked this too. Most of it is real stale. Okay. That's weird. Sorry, it's a bit weird, but okay. Now you can see it. So the webhook validations are always ongoing. That's in that stale state. I'm not sure if we should remove the stale or not from this.
Yeah, we should freeze that one because we always want that one to stay around.
Yeah. Okay. And the comment was when was it like that? I don't know. I will test it. Okay, I will check the labels later. I always forget the syntax. Then the help wanted are just things that are waiting for someone to pick it up. And except this one, yes, this two. So these are just waiting for somebody, and we have two that's actually not labeled help wanted. And then this is setting up the bootloader, but the original issuer is not answering since April 5th. So that's a real stale, I think. Yeah. Okay. And then the reproducible builds, which was kind of a feature request, but yeah, still no answer on this. It would be nice for this person to join us on the community meeting, because there are a lot of bug report that are connected to this issue, this contributor. So it would be nice to discuss these things in the meeting. There are almost like 10 different issues all around the place, and many of them lost, like many of them are not kept fresh. Okay, I think that's all here. Frozen ones, yeah, that we made. No frozen ones, good. And then the have wanted is, I think, the same as before. So the webhook validations. This one I accepted it because not this one. Oh yeah, no, not this one, but one related to this main, like changing the branch from master to main for the hardware hardware classification controller. This is finally getting some traction. That's very good. User guide stuff, that's always good if somebody is interested to provide some docs or contribute some documentation. And then there are a few different dev improvements that were proposed by Leonard. Some actually even started to be implemented, I think. I've seen Leonard setting at least one to, or remove the have wanted from at least one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I started working on some of them.
Yeah, thank you. That's very good. Okay, then we have the bare metal operator. There is a question for it? Is that still used in infinite reconcile? And this was accepted, but it's yeah, that was just a feature request. So feel free to check that. This also, I think this actually a bug. We have checked it before. So feel free to check these ones also. And then, yeah, and then what I mentioned from Leonard and Anwar. Yeah, so we have a few, if you are interested in any of the topics, please feel free to contribute. And thank you for everyone who did so far. And I will add the freeze label for this top one. Okay, is there anything else that we want to discuss or you want to discuss? Any improvements, problems, questions, anything? Okay, if not, then thank you for your time and attention, and we will see each other next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Adam. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.